In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram taking up too much space on phone. If Telegram is ballooning on your device, we'll clean up what's stored locally without losing anything that's safely in the Telegram cloud. Telegram grows over time because it caches media and documents from every chat and channel you open. So a quick tune-up makes a big difference. Start by opening the Telegram app. We'll begin with the most effective fix: clearing the cache. Go to Settings, then Data and Storage. Tap Storage Usage and choose Clear Telegram Cache. This wipes cached media like photos, videos, voice notes, and files that the app saved for quick viewing. Your chats and media aren't deleted from Telegram itself. They remain available in the cloud, so you can reopen any conversation and re-download a file on demand. If you've scrolled through a lot of channels or watched many videos, the first clear can take a moment. Let it finish. After the clear, Telegram should immediately take up far less space without affecting your conversations or notifications. Next, prevent the cache from building back up. Still in storage usage, look for auto-removed cached media, sometimes labeled Keep Media. Here you can choose how long Telegram keeps downloaded media on your phone for private chats, groups, and channels. Pick 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. The shorter you set it, the less space Telegram will use over time. When a file ages past that limit, it's removed from your device, but stays in the cloud, so you can fetch it again whenever you need it. Choose a shorter duration for channels you casually browse, and a longer one for chats where you regularly revisit files. Now stop unnecessary files from saving in the first place. Go to Settings, then Data and Storage, and open Automatic Media Downloads. Turn off auto-downloading on cellular and on Wi-Fi. With this disabled, images, videos, and documents won't silently pile up in your storage. Instead, you choose what to download when you tap it in a chat. You can always press the download arrow when you actually want a file. If you are on Android and Telegram is still occupying a huge chunk after these steps, use the system-level cleanup. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, find Telegram, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Clear Cache is safe and removes temporary files. Clear Data is a full reset of the app on your device. It erases all local files and signs you out. But your messages and media remain in the Telegram cloud. Only use Clear Data if you are comfortable signing back in and re-downloading what you need. That's it. Thanks for watching.